How to install driver in Mac system. Install via USB driver. Connect the computer to the printer with a USB cable. Insert the USB drive. Open USB driver folder. Select the driver files for installation folder. Select the Mac folder. Open the driver. Click on Continue. Click on Install. Click on Close to complete the driver installation. Download driver from the official website. Search for nelkoprint.com. Click on Support, then click on Driver and User Manual. Find D810, then click on Driver. Download the driver for Mac system. Open the installer after finishing download, then click on Continue. Click on Install. Click on Close after finishing installation. Open a file you want to print. In Print Preview, select the D810 as the printer. Select letter 216 by 279 mm. Click on Print when you have completed all the settings.